In the echo of tomorrow, dreams arise, a canvas of love painted in sunrise, whispers of hope in our love's reprise. In the echoes of tomorrow, love never lies. Sunset hills, a promise so true, echoes tomorrow, me and you, a love so pure like morning dew. In echoes of tomorrow, our love grew. Echoes of tomorrow, we're hand in hand through the sands of time, and a rhythm of love so intertwined. In the echoes of tomorrow, love's design. Through the pages of destiny, our love will ring. Echoes of tomorrow, a plenty sea. In the garden of love, where emotions feed. In the echoes of tomorrow.